Federal Ministry of Women Affairs, together with Junior Achievement Naija, don launch one program wey dem call National Child Advancement Program. Dem unveil am during the Lead Camp 2025 wey shele for Abuja. Our Abuja tori pesin Rose Njagu yarn us say Minister of Women Affairs Iman Suleiman Ibrahim no fit come, so Permanent Secretary for the ministry Dr. Mariam Keshinro come represent am for the event. Dr. Keshinro yarn say the program get aim to support 180,000 pikins dem across Naija by teaching dem better skills for leadership, business and how to manage money well. She say this year lead camp na the kick-off of the plan and e go reach 10,500 vulnerable pikins for 21 states including FCT. She tok say the goal na to protect pikins dem from abuse and neglect by giving dem better tools to build correct future.
And future leaders of Nigeria, welcome to the Lead Camp 2025, a space created just for you. LEAD stands for leadership, empowerment, achievement, development, and today marks the beginning of your journey into greatness. Under the Set for Life program, in collaboration with the Junior Achievement Nigeria, LEAD Camp will inspire 10,500 adolescent girls across 21 states and the FCT, with the broader goal of reaching 180,000 adolescents nationwide. This is not just a camp, it is a movement for igniting the future. Today, we unveil the National Child Advancement and Achievement Program, NCAP, a flagship intervention under the Renewed Hope Social Impact Program 774. NCAP would establish child-friendly hubs in 774 local government areas, support vulnerable and gifted children through social kids empowerment initiative, and drive our See Something, Say Something, Do Something campaign to empower children and communities to prevent and report abuse, neglect, or exploitation.
Olaolu Akogu, wey be country director of Set for Life Naija, tok say dem wan reach 180,000 girls across the country and give dem platform wey go help dem succeed for life. E still tok say the partnership go make pikin development strong across the country.
Like I mentioned earlier, we're looking at reaching 180,000 young people, inclusive of 70% girls and 30% boys, such that we're able to provide them with a platform right from when they're in the senior secondary school through when they're able to establish themselves either as entrepreneurs or as employees in organizations. And how are we going to achieve that? We have a series of components that are provided in the program that will help them achieve this. When they're in school, they'll go through what we call the ideating sessions. They'll go through one of our programs called the JA Company program. They also go through what we call JAD, which is the Junior Achievement Digital Entrepreneurship Education Platform. Go through some competitions, both at the state and national level, even at the African level, such that they're able to interact and compete with all their counterparts from all other parts of Africa. So this is something that would actually transcend their time in secondary school, because by the time they even graduate from secondary school, we're also going to support them with scholarships to get into the university. A certain percentage of them are going to enjoy this opportunity, while we're also going to support some to go into TVET institutions and also have programs for them, such as the social equity program that will be taking place at that point. And even when they graduate from the university, that is, those that will be graduating from university, we're also going to be supporting them with what we call JA Career Connect, where they will have an opportunity to go through some work readiness programs to ensure that they're able to gain employment, and while those institutions will be able to establish businesses. So you would agree with me that this is a transition, a pathway program that will ensure that these people are well established. And that's why we are really establishing our partnerships with government agencies.
Make una no forget say as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. Ohifemi Onosimo, TMC News.